This is scene 2, take 2, slate 2.
Hello, my name is Pierre and I'm part of the filmmaking course. We are making a recruitment video and we want you to be in it. We want real authentic people.
It's been a lot of fun working with the film students on this. I've been doing a little bit of everything, whatever's needed, saying some spoken parts.
Welcome to Aircraft Maintenance Engineering.
And then just walking down a corridor for others. So it's been quite varied, but lots of fun.
Responding to a professional brief it's a good exercise and definitely makes people think, and it also does test us as students as well.
It's actually so fun. We get to play on this little simulator. It was really fun.
No, it's been really interesting seeing like behind the scenes and like all the work that goes into the university. So yeah, it's been really eye-opening.
We wanted to show people that it wasn't just about employing lecturers and just working with some of the people here. Yeah, it's definitely sort of opened my eyes, I guess, to the sort of wider aspect of staff at USW. It isn't all academic, you know, it's much, much wider than that. It's a good learning experience for everybody involved.